Hello, my name's Linda and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a scratch and sniff sticker. And I'm only going to be using mainly Stampin' Up products, and let's start. If you was watching a video I made the other day on how to make stickers, so I'm carrying on from there. So this is just a piece of Whisper White, and I've used the multi-purpose adhesive sheets to put on the back, so this is now going to be a sticker. And I've already stamped a little stamp up there in the corner, but this time I'm going to be using the Stamparatus. Just bring this in, and all I have on here is a little flower stamp, and that comes from the Tropical Chic, and it's this one at the top. And we're going to be stamping it in lovely lipstick. Obviously you can use whatever colour you want. I'm just going to flip that over, stamp it down. Okay, and I'm just going to put that to one side for a moment while I'm going to show you some of the other things we're going to need. So we're going to be needing clear embossing powder and a teaspoon and some Versamark ink, and this is the ingredient we're going to be needing. We're going to be needing some jelly. Now this is jelly powder, and it is sugar free, and that is important. It has to be sugar free. Now I've got strawberry and orange, and today I'm going to be using the strawberry, and I have already measured out what I need. So in a little pot I've put in half a teaspoon of my strawberry powder, and now I'm going to put in a teaspoon of my embossing powder. And obviously you can keep this in a little pot so you can reuse again and again. And that just needs to be mixed up. And I got this idea from a blog that I found called Damask Love, and I will put a link in the description underneath to her blog so you can see how she made it. Right then, so what we're going to do now, I've let that dry a little bit, I'm just going to clean my stamp. So we've stamped our image in the colour of our choice, and now we're just going to get our embossing buddy and go over the top of this, because we're going to be using our Versamark ink, and because we're using the Stamparatus, we know that this is going to go exactly over the top of our previously stamped flower, so we're going to do that. So we're putting the Versamark ink over the top, and then we're going to take this out, and we're going to get our embossing powder that we've just made, strawberry smelling, and we're going to put it over the top of our flower. And there you can, I don't know if you can see, it's just stuck on like it would normal embossing powder. And I'm just going to turn my heat tool on. So now we're going to heat emboss our flower. Okay, so you can see that works very quickly, and now I'm just going to go and cut this out on my Big Shot. Okay, so I've just cut that out with one of my circle dies, and now I'm going to give it a scratch, and obviously you can't smell it, but it does smell really nice. It's very strawberry. Obviously you can probably get different flavours, but because I live on a small island, all I could get from the co-op was strawberry and orange, but they are very good. Unfortunately I don't have any fruit stamps. I've been frantically looking for fruit stamps, but I don't have any. But you know, I think this still works quite nicely on the flower. And of course you can just peel that off and stick it on somewhere. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.